What? Did you take a joke? Jeez!
Since the dawn of time, the forces of good and evil have been at war. They finally said, forget it. They settled down and got jobs. Just by random coincidence, everybody moved into the same building in Hollywood. Something about rent control. Oh yeah, I live in the building too. I'm Angela, and I came to Hollywood to become an actress.
Oh, yeah. Hey, Angela.
Where you been?
I've been tied up, all right?
Gabriel, your friends are looking for you. Where the hell does he go?
Hey, Angela. I don't feel so good. You could be a dear and return these jumper cables to Mrs. Goldberg for me, please? Thanks.
Sure.
Have you seen the financial section? Intel's in the incinerator.
No there. Would you like some sugar in your tea?
Oh, no sugar. Do you have any of that sugar substitute? I'm watching my love handles. I'm not the cherub I used to be.
I'm watching them too.
Oh, hi, Mr. Goldberg. Lilith asked me to return this to you.
Oh, those belong to my wife. Let me go get her.
Oh, hi, Mrs. Goldberg. Lilith asked me to return these jumper cables to you.
Oh, thank you. Would you like to come in and have some tea?
No, thank you. I have a really big audition tomorrow, and, I have to go home and study my lines.
All right. Well, come back anytime.
Okay.
What a nice girl.